Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to add an external link in WordPress post. Why would you want to know how to add an external link in WordPress post? Well, maybe it is your first time using WordPress and not sure how to add an external link in WordPress post. So today I am going to show you how to add an external link in WordPress post. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Adding an external link in WordPress post is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for all devices. Let me show how you will add an external link in WordPress post. First of all, open WordPress in your Chrome browser, and now here is my WordPress home screen. And then move your mouse cursor to post in the left menu and then click on all post. Now in this screen, open any post, and then in this post, I want to add external link in a word. I will copy a random link from Google and then add in it. And then click on link icon and now paste your link and then publish it. So there you go. If you were wondering how to add external link in WordPress post, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.